In this lesson, we will learn how to input basic calculations inside Excel. We have a table of budget per year where we have 3 years and 3 different budgets. And also, we have 5 questions to answer. The first question is to determine the total budget for all years, which means we have to summarize the 3 budget values. When we are calculating inside of Excel, the first thing is to select the cell in which we want to make a calculation. The second step is to add an equal sign. And for this example, we will need to summarize all 3 budgets. We will select the first, then add a plus sign, then second, add a plus sign, and then a third. And now we have summarized the 3 budgets for every year. If we press Enter, we will have a total budget for all years. How can we calculate the average budget for all years? We can summarize the budget and then divide it by a number of years. First, we need to add equal sign, then we can open parenthesis, then summarize those budgets, like we did in the last task. Then we will close the parenthesis and then divide by number 3, that's the number of years we have, and we click Enter. We will have the average budget for those years. Also in Excel, we can calculate the difference between values, so we can determine the difference between the budget of 2018 and 2019. First, we will enter the equal sign, then select the budget for 2018 minus the budget for 2019 and click Enter. And we will have the difference between those 2 budgets. If we want to calculate the percentage difference from 2019 and 2020, we can see how much percent is 2020 budget bigger than 2019. We will add an equal sign. Select the budget for 2020, divide it by 2019, and then add -1. When we click Enter, we will have a decimal number that is a percentage difference for those 2 years. If we click on the percentage icon on the Number tab, we will convert the decimal number to a percentage. So we have a 29% difference from budgets from 2020 and 2019. Also, we can calculate the budget for 2021, which is 10% higher than the budget for 2020. Add the equal sign and then select the budget for 2020 and multiply it with 1.1 or 110%. So we will have a budget that is 10% bigger than the budget for 2020. And that's how we can calculate basic calculations inside Excel.